Dental Academy of Chicago. Now that you have completed your application online by logging into the website, clicking on Apply Now, clicking on the Chairside Dental Assistant Program, filling out the application to completion, you now have received a Student Portal ID number. You can use the Student Portal ID number to make your payments and also to upload any required documents. Right now, let's look at how to make payments. You can look at the upper right side of your phone or computer screen, and you see Student ID, you see password, you see login. Or if you clicked on the link, because we sent you your Student Portal ID information, maybe you forgot it, it will possibly look like this. You will log in with your ID number or your password, which sometimes your ID number is your password. And if you forgot, as you can see right here, it says reset password as long as you have your ID number. So you don't need us for that. You can just click it yourself. I've successfully logged into my Student Portal. I need to make my payment towards my tuition or towards my registration fee, any payments. As you see up here, you see my uploads. Right next to my uploads, you see my payments. We're gonna click my payments. If you log in and you do not see an invoice, that means we don't know that you're trying to pay anything, meaning you're probably new and trying to enroll. So you need to contact us so that we can place your payment plan in your Student Portal. On the opposite side, if you have a balance, it will be in your Student Portal and you click Make Payment. When you click to make the payment, please understand that I don't have any invoices because I paid my bill. It says I'm all paid up. However, if you have payments, your payments will be in here. If you choose to use your credit card to pay through your Student Portal, you will have to pay the credit card access fee. If you do not want to use the Student Portal to make your payment, you will have to pay in person, cash or cashier's check, or you may Zelle your payment to Dental Academy, and our Zelle would be enroll, ENROLL, at mydaac.com. Enroll, ENROLL, at mydaac.com. If you choose to Zelle your payment to us using that enroll email address, you will not have to pay any additional fees outside of the fee or payment that you are making. Also, in your My Payments, it will keep track of and show a history of payments made and invoices that we sent to you. So you always have access to your balance to make your payments, and you also have receipt of payment in your Student Portal by clicking on My Payments. And that will keep a history for you.